in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today's unit goes by the name of Realistic Yaki Straight Bob with Bangs, Minimalist Undetectable Lace Wig. I've reviewed a unit very similar to this. Honestly, I think it's the exact same unit except from a different company, but we move. Today's unit is a very easy unit, a unit that I would consider a throw on and go type of unit, so I'm not going to do too much talking. Let's just go ahead and get into the video. So this is what the unit is looking like coming straight out of the box. I do already have my flat iron turned on so I can knock out some of those bumps that's within the hair, but she's cute. A nice little blunt cut. It looks like the bang is already bumped for me, so I might not even have to do anything there. Within the cap construction, there are 3 combs in total. The one in the back, and of course the other 2 that are in the front. It also comes with the adjustable straps and the security band as well. And as far as the scalp-like portion goes, it's right here. You don't really have a whole lot of lace to work with or deal with, so I feel like that's pretty nice.
Hey. Yo. Most of these things I don't want to say. I want to be around while you chase.
So I'm not even going to change out of my robe. I mean, I do have another video to film right after this, but I don't know. It's something about the dark hair with the bang and the black top. It's like, it's doing something for me. Like I stated earlier, I have reviewed this unit before, except for it was from a different brand and a different length, and low-key I like this one a lot more. My reasoning for saying that is simply because of the length. The other one I reviewed was a 14-inch and this one is a 12-inch, but the good thing about LuvMe Hair is that they do offer this unit in 10, 12, and 14 inches. The 12-inch just does it for me because it's nicely grazing my shoulders, versus the 14-inch, I don't know, it was just like a little bit too long, like almost an awkward length. At the time I didn't think that, but now that I have a 12-inch on, I'm just kind of like, okay, I kind of see the difference, which then also makes me wonder, what would a 10-inch look like? Like, I feel like a 10-inch would just really up it a level. The texture of this unit is a Yaki straight texture, so therefore if you are someone who has 4B, 4C hair, you could definitely pass this unit off as your own. Another thing that makes this unit very realistic is the small lace piece up top. I didn't add any concealer, foundation, powder, anything, and it's given a very realistic part in my opinion. So far I've gotten no tangling, no shedding, no nothing from this unit, which that's also always a positive. This unit also has lots of body, lots of movement, which we absolutely love as well. Like I stated earlier, this is definitely one of those throw on and go type of units, very beginner friendly. You don't have to worry about any sprays, glues, melting of lace, any of that. So therefore, another good thing is that your edges are going to stay intact. What you're pulling out of the box is what you're getting. All you need to do is just take your flat iron and run it through a couple of times to knock out those bumps, and then boom, you're ready to go. On LuvMe Hair, this unit does retail from $100 to $140. It just all depends on the length that you end up choosing. But if you use my code Dotson, that will save you, I want to say, about 20 to 25% off, which is quite a bit in my opinion. On top of that code, if you are someone who's not in the business of paying that all at one time, they do offer, I want to say it's Klarna and Afterpay, or it could be Afterpay and Zip. I'm not sure, but if you go onto the website, you'll be able to see it. But yeah, I don't have too much to say about this unit. She's pretty straightforward, and what you see is what you get. And in my opinion, you're getting something pretty sexy, if I do say so myself. I'll make sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you check that out and just go ahead and check out LuvMe Hair site as a whole. I'm pretty sure you'll find something that you're gonna like. But yeah, make sure you're also subscribed to this channel. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Other than that though, I don't have anything else to say except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
You'll try and come back when you're famous.